Introducing the new NFC Ring, the next iteration in wearable technology that can be used to unlock doors and mobile devices, transfer information, link people, and much more. If you've not heard of NFC, it stands for Near Field Communication, a wireless technology that can transfer data over very short distances. The NFC Ring contains two NFC tags, each containing a tiny transmitter, one for public information, the other for private data, and requires no batteries, no charging, and no fuss. Following the launch of our first Kickstarter campaign, we've been working hard on the design and functionality of the rings to provide the most future-proof wearable technology available. So, what can it do? It can unlock your NFC-enabled phone without the need to enter a PIN or even touch the screen. Lock and unlock your NFC door lock. Personalize your digital experiences by switching profiles at the swipe of your hand. Use it to share information such as Wi-Fi passwords, links to websites or photos, contact information, or anything else you want to share with your friends' devices. Store your Bitcoin address so you can receive payments. How about starting your car? And much, much more. So what's new? The 2016 NFC rings feature 5 times more storage capacity than the previous model, so you can do much more with your ring. These rings are made from scratch-resistant advanced ceramics, which helps achieve a vastly improved operating range, work more effectively with a wider range of devices, and stay looking great for a long time to come. Each ring is engraved on the inside surface, allowing for easy tag identification, just through the feel on your finger. Improved security functions allow you to create a unique code to lock your NFC ring so you can control what data you share. The new designs sport a modern, classy look with just a hint to the power inside. The software we've developed is open source, so you're free to invent your own uses and create applications to control and use the ring as you wish. With your support, we created the first NFC ring, and only with your help can we revolutionize it. Thanks for watching, and thanks for your support.